Almost.
Allen's on one side and Helga's on the other. I think we have 11 so far. This will be the 12th one.
I'm getting them.
But Mama's close by, being protective. We just have to watch, make sure she doesn't get distracted and get hit, poor thing. And then we got to try to catch her using the puppies.
Oh boy.
Is it caught?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Oh, hold on. Not like I just gotta find a way to get him out at the same time because now. Oh boy. Okay, the dirt's coming back up and it's blocking it off. Okay, I gotta do this fast. Where are you going? Come on, little guy. Come on. No, don't go that way. Come on. Almost. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on.
Is that the last one?
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
See the tail.
I know.
Oh.
Come on. Don't fight. Oh.
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 Oh. Got a smushy face. You got it?
You're the little one.
Oh. The runt? Looks like pig.
Okay. We're done, sweetheart. We're done. No more.